What's up guys, Taylor here with BoogeyLights. Today we have a very cool and unique video for you. One of our favorite returning customers brought his 45-foot Tiffin Zephyr into Camp Boogey to have the roof lit up. Something we've never done here before, but what we decided to do is we put a total of 36 feet of LEDs on both sides. So he's got 36 feet on the passenger side, shining upward just below that carefree awning, and then he's got another 36 feet on his driver's side just below the fairing. Now this is only possible on certain rigs that have a little gap up there with the fairing or the awnings that you can actually mount those lights to, and that they can have that good reflection, because the point is to not actually see the LEDs, you just want to see the reflection of them. So in this case it came out really nicely, and this rig is something else. He's got a grand total of 190 feet on this thing, something we've never done, the most lights we've ever put on any installation by far. And now just for a little bit of show, you can see the underglow here. It's actually on one of our dual zone controllers. So if he's ever in close quarters at a campground or anything like that, he can completely shut off that driver's side. And we did the same exact thing for the roof. So he's got a little switch back there where we mounted the controller that he can flip, and it'll shut off that, and it'll just leave on the lights over here for his side. Now we are using our RGBWW product here, which the cool thing about the RGBWW is it gives you the ability to still operate the RGB aspect, and then you get to change the color temperature of that white. So the RGB only gives you one white. Now, you have the 7 different colors you can go through, as I said, and then you can shut off that RGB and you can turn on that WW. That's either the warm white or the cool white. So you can then change that color temperature from that warm, kind of elegant white to a nice, bright, kind of cool white. And we did mount all these lights directly to the bottom of the roof there, and as I said, they're shining upwards, so you're not actually seeing the LEDs, you're just seeing that reflection. And then we wired all this to 12 volts, so he can actually use these lights while he's going down the road, which is pretty cool. If we go over to the driver's side here, we'll go kind of a little bit through about all the LEDs that he's got on this thing. I mean, he's got his slides, the awnings on both of his slides here lit up. And then when the slides are out, he's actually got LEDs underneath his slides. There's a strip up there in the windshield for the front. He's got his engine bay lit up, his rock guard as well. Now, for that roof lighting specifically, as I said, we put those strips facing upward, so we had to do all the work from the roof, and then running the wiring was a little tricky, but not as hard as we thought. We ended up running all the wiring back here to the back. It came to a total of about 6 connections that you had to make. And then he had a little junction box right here at the very top of his engine bay. So once you remove that cover there, you can actually fish those wires directly down the back of this engine bay. And it comes out nice and neat right here, where we were able to just kind of fish it in to a bay there. But the engine bay, I mean, look at this thing. The engine bay alone has about 14 feet in it. And then the rock guard down here has about 15 feet on it. And the rock guard is split into 2 zones as well. And then right now you can't see it, but it's got another 2 strips on there that are a single color red, which are then tied into his brake, tail, and turn signal. So anytime he hits that turn signal, that left side of the rock guard will light up, or the right side, depending on what you're doing. And if this is something that you're interested in, please go to our website at BoogeyLights.com and check us out there, or give us a call. Everything that you see here was done in-house in Florence, Kentucky at BoogeyLights. Give us a call and get lit up today.